Okay, so what is a palindrome string? A palindrome string is a string which remains same when read from both the ends. Example can be level, Level. Okay, it is same when it is read from the beginning to the end and vice versa. Okay, now to code this, let us take a string input. So str equals to input, enter a string, take a variable reverse equals to an empty string. For I in str, reverse equals to I plus str. Sorry, I plus reverse. Now in this manner we will be able to actually reverse the string. Okay, in palindrome we need to check the string and its reverse string. If both are same, then only the string is said to be palindrome. So this is why we are actually reversing the string. Okay, so the string is, now this will display what is the original string. Then write another print statement to display the reverse string. So when we look at the output displaying both the string as well as the reverse string, it will be easier for us to understand whether it will be a palindrome string or not. Okay, now let us check. So if the str equals to reverse, in this case it's a palindrome string. So print uh, print we're using the f string, so that the str is a it's capital P palindrome string. Okay, then else if it's not in palindrome string, then also we will be printing that this is not a palindrome string. So print f string str is not capital N, not a palindrome, string. Okay, now let us check the output. Let me enter Python. See as a Python code. Okay. So see, this is string, reverse string, not a palindrome. Good. Now let me enter a palindrome string. Yes, this is a palindrome string. Okay.